Don't know when I'll come back again. All right, pilots, rearm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. Off to the races. Yeah, buddy. It is race number 12 of our 30 race program, and it is just 10 to 2 in the afternoon. I love your style as we push through it. The top 64 drone racers pretty much in the game as we have a whole international field. We got Australia, we have the UK, we have Poland, we have, where else we got? Everywhere is with us, right? We got England, we got Korea, we have Mexico, we have Portugal, we have Canada, we have Russia, we have the United States of America, we have the fastest of the game, we got TV stars, we have unknowns, and we're gonna have some pilots $20,000 richer. Are you ready? Surgical Fat Kid Freshness, 1, 2, 3, 4, on to lap number 2. As I look to the rest of the field, looks like we still have we're down to 5. Looking at your leader, Are You Ready? Low side of Michael's Tower, but he's dancing with Surgical FPV. There's Are You Ready with one more to go. No, Fat Kid just ahead him. Are You Ready in the number 2 spot? Then let's push on with Surgical FPV as we have a couple more to get on the lead lap. Then there's Freshness, then there's Fio. Let's see who's going to get to that checkered gate next. Fat Kid was able to pull something out of that final round, that final lap as we get moving on here in our consolation bracket. See what we can do. Fat Kid, high side of the tower. He is still your leader. Then you go, Are You Ready? High side of the tower. Third is now Loosey Goosey. That's Surgical FPV having some fun with the excavator. Let's stay alive with Fat Kid. 3 laps in 1:44 to get it done. Then it's Are You Ready? He's still alive. 3 laps in 1:48. Still a couple more positions. It looked like only 2 left in the air. Surgical FPV, 3 laps in 1:56, and then Freshness, 3 laps in 1:57. That is it and all.